What I would suggest anyone starting out to land business is first have a portfolio.
Right.
That is super important. So go
Hmm.
out. If you are working for free, work for free, huh? Just use your creativity. Go to a restaurant, ask them, "Yaar, I'll make a free video. If you like it, you post. If you don't like it, then आपका क्या जा रहा है, right?"
Hmm.
आप बनाओ वीडियो अपना एग्जैक्टली अपना
Yeah.
पोर्टफोलियो बढ़ाओ.
Right.
आप फोटोग्राफर हो, आप उसमें आप फोटोज खींच खींच के पोर्टफोलियो बढ़ाओ. And
Hmm.
once you have that portfolio, you can send it to brands. Obviously, as you said,
Hey everybody, hey listeners, welcome to this episode of Mango Talk, where we talk to your favorite creators, artists, and influencers and bring you their stories, their struggles, and what have they done to reach the level all of us are looking to. In this episode, we have somebody who started out as a video editor. And right now, whenever you see a video of his, whether it's on his Instagram or on his YouTube, you just wish, or personally I do, like, man, I wish I could be with him right now in his vlog, being there, just seeing the sights in the way he does. Very enthusiastic, very passionate. Please welcome Monish. Hey Monish, how you doing? How's it going here?
hi Shmeet, everything is going great, man. Currently traveling right now in Mumbai, and yeah, man, the vibe is great. It feels really good. Like after the lockdown,
Yeah,
everything is like coming up to pace. Like the work
right.
is like starting up. Everything is
Hmm.
coming in form, and yeah,
Hmm.
it feels really good, man. How are you
Well,
doing?
I'm doing very well, man. Thank you for asking. I think, yeah, there's always enthusiasm in your voice in whatever you do. I think even when we met in Goa, there was just so much of energy. Hey, what
हाँ
is
जी.
up? It just seems like, हाँ,
Yes.
ठीक है. Monish is always sorted when it comes to the vibe.
या मैन ये वाइब तो होनी चाहिए यार. अपन
एक तो
अपन तो
होनी चाहिए.
क्रिएटर्स है. अपने में वाइब नहीं
Exactly.
रहेगी तो किसमें
तो
वाइब
किसमें
रहेगी.
रहेगी? For sure,
हाँ
man.
जी.
Cool, you mentioned you were
Exactly.
traveling. So what are you right now? You're in Bombay. What's next? What's the entire thing going to be like?
Next, actually, I'm planning to make a shift to Bombay. So
Okay.
my base was set up in Nagpur. That's where I was born, basically.
Right.
And right now, I'm planning to make the shift to Bombay. And Bombay से फिर मैं अलग अलग जगह travel करूँगा, content बनाऊँगा.
Right.
So many people, like, I haven't told this to any people yet, but I also work for commercial stuff apart from the
Right.
YouTube thing. So yeah, that's
Right.
why I thought the Bombay is great for that
Course,
reason.
you'll find the best kind of clientele and fast clientele for sure in Bombay.
Exactly.
Cool, man.
So
Great,
true.
great. Great. So, Manish, tell me, when you just mentioned that after the entire lockdown, you're finally going back to traveling, you're finally being able to do
Right.
what you enjoy doing, right? So, how has it been? And when it comes to other travel vloggers as well, what is the current mindset like? Just to understand.
So current mindset is pretty open for now,
Hmm.
unless if a travel vlogger has family restrictions,
Hmm.
they are pretty much traveling. So like even the
Right.
biggest vloggers like Ankit Bhatia,
Hmm.
or if you see Tanya Khanijo, all these
Right.
people in the travel genre, they are traveling. And once people get out of their home, like if you are from Mumbai or any other city,
Hmm.
Delhi or something, once you get out of there, once you go to somewhere like Himachal, somewhere in
Yeah.
Goa, you'll get an idea. Like we met in Goa, we got an idea कि like mask तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है उधर. मतलब
Uh,
that is the thing. मतलब people are more relaxed now. It's like
hmm.
more open now. I'm not like, I agree mask should be there for
Right. Right.
precaution and stuff. But yeah, traveling is pretty much chill, I
Getting
would
back,
say,
yeah, getting back
currently.
to it. Yeah, I think slowly, not
Yes,
everything is opening up,
exactly.
and yeah, everybody needs to do their job,
Right.
everybody needs to do their business. Great. So
Exactly. We have
yeah,
to move on with life. Yeah.
absolutely,
We
yeah.
can't get stuck.
Right, right,
Exactly.
right. Nish, so when my team was also doing a little bit of background check as well to come up with these questions, everything, I personally went through YouTube, went through the last video, or like the first video,
Okay.
beg your pardon, right? And it was
अच्छा
science,
अच्छा.
right? You made a short video
Hmm.
film, and then I checked, and then
Right.
after उसमें I think कुछ 3,000 4,000 views थे possibly later. And now when I come and see 50, 60, 2 lakh views are there in all your vlogs, and they're just so aesthetically pleasing.
Right. Right.
So how has the journey been? I know it's going to be a very long answer, but if you could keep it short,
Right.
just to get
Right.
an idea, because it's very inspiring. You did short films, you were doing a bunch of things, and then there
Right.
was one vlog, and then you were helping people with gadgets, kya karna chahiye, and then right now you're creating some absolutely beautiful content. So
Thank
what's
you
it
so
like?
much, brother. Means a lot to me. Yeah, so it has been a long journey, and honestly बताऊँ तो maximum लोगों को पता नहीं है about the short film वाला phase, and
Right.
उसके पहले भी एक phase था जो
Okay.
किसी को नहीं पता है, किसी को पता भी नहीं चल सकता unless someone is working for YouTube, because I had another channel before this channel on
Okay.
YouTube where I posted some of my music videos. Like मैं खुद का गाना बजा के I used to post covers. So that channel used to have like 5-6 covers, and then I got into filmmaking because I got a new camera to film
Right.
myself. And
Right.
uske baad I created a new channel. I experimented with some short films.
Yeah.
So this was the beginning phase. Like I was very interested in the camera stuff, and I was learning, and it was super exciting. And
Right.
then came a phase when a few of my musician friends, we came up together, and we thought ki yaar, let's record some good music, because I was into recording as well. So I had a small home studio set up, so we recorded some good music, good covers at home. We went out, we shot those covers, we released those covers. So
Right.
वो covers तो अभी channel पे है with the name
Okay.
Cineshades, as you must have seen.
All right. Yeah.
And after that the band did not like last, because of obviously यार सबका अलग अलग priority होता
Uh-huh.
है. And then I started traveling. I was into the travel genre a lot, but I wasn't making that one move to like just go
Right.
out to some place and just make a vlog, right?
Right.
To get that experience.
Mhm.
Because I was committed to the music thing.
Right. Right. Right.
So once that was over, I went into travel thing, and धीरे करके the everything improved. Like
Okay. Yeah.
abhi bhi I'm still learning.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's the
I
hallmark
would
of
say
a true.
obviously we all are
of a-
still learning.
Yeah, that's the
Right.
hallmark of a true, like, personally successful person or somebody who wants to be successful. You never stop learning.
Exactly.
Right.
Never stop learning. So true.
Great, man. It's nice. It's like the music thing
Yeah.
is a pretty good
Yes.
insight, I'm sure. A lot of people will be like, okay, this was something which you
Yeah.
weren't expecting. Cool, man. Great, great.
Exactly.
So Unish, you mentioned that you were into traveling a lot, but you weren't taking that one step to start documenting the journey and possibly convert it into a
Right.
vlog, right? Now,
Right.
from the common mindset that is there, even when I interact with people, travel vlogging is very, it's like, oh my God, it's very exciting in order to get into it. But what a lot
Right.
of people say that it's an expensive form essentially of YouTubing. And why? It's because of the gear involved, at least then, the gear involved, the production, and most importantly, you're traveling, right? You're going to another place, you need to take care of so
Right.
many things. So what do you
True.
say about that? What are your views on that, being somebody who is into this genre for the last 2.5 to 3 years, if I'm not mistaken?
Yeah, around 2.5 years. So
Right.
yes, I would say yes. When people say that it can be a expensive journey, yes, it can be a expensive form of like a niche on YouTube.
Right.
You can say it's like the most expensive niche on YouTube if you are
Precisely.
like vlogging. Vlogging may one of the most expensive, unless you're vlogging about like
Random.
supercars or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is good, but the only thing here is people first thing people forget is like it is exciting, but it needs a lot of energy as well, because if you have traveled to like any place in Himachal, if you have done some treks, you know कि यार energy बहुत लगता है boss.
For sure.
Now add a 7 to 8 kg camera backpack on you, add a gimbal and camera in your hand, and add a smiley face with you vlogging with full energy. That's what you have to do
Right.
when you're traveling. So that is one thing. But agar aap mehnat karo, and if you plan your budget very smart,
Mhm.
like in a very smart way, you
Mhm.
can really save up on the cost, especially in India. Because when you're starting out, India has a variety of places to explore, all the way from mountains to beaches to ekdam aisa desert type ka thing in
Right.
Rajasthan,
Right.
all the way to like good forts and all that
Mhm.
stuff, architectural stuff in India.
Mhm.
There's a lot to explore
Right.
here.
Right.
So abhi since all the trains and everything is also started,
Yes.
right now is an amazing time to like travel in the like in low budget, because we have hostels all around India almost.
Right. Of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have traveler hostels, बहुत अच्छे खासे पैसे में आपका जुगाड़ हो जाता है रहने का.
Okay.
And then when it comes to food, यार you can buy fruits and all. You can do like 1-2 meals तो आपके fruits और ये सब छोटी मोटी चीजों में हो जाएंगे. Fruits are also healthy. They give you like a good
Right.
amount of energy as well. and समझ लो 300 per day भी अगर आप food पे खर्चा कर रहे हो तो you can survive
Right.
while traveling,
Right.
right? So that's the thing, man. Around, I guess, anywhere in India you can survive like 900 to 1000 rupees per day
Okay.
right now, if you
Yeah.
are willing to stay like
In a hostel,
out of
yeah.
your comfort zone.
Of course, of course. That
Yeah,
that
in
is
a
a cover. वो तो
hostel,
करना ही पड़ेगा.
not eating fancy food.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you get my
yeah.
point,
Yeah,
right?
cool, cool. So, and that is a hack which you also tell other young content creators who are getting into the space as well. Ki save up, and it's easy to budget. First, make a clear
Correct.
budget, and you have to get out of
Right.
your comfort zone if you want to create an awesome video, right? In a way.
So true, so true. So initially, I suggest anyone to have a particular amount. Like it's like a business, so you have to put in some amount as an
Right.
investment.
Of
I would
course.
say I'm not suggesting keep that investment as your gear, because I know many YouTubers right now who have like lakhs of followers and still filming on their phones and still filming on just one GoPro. तो मतलब GoPro is like even if you go get a second hand GoPro Hero 7, it would
Yeah.
not cost you more than 20,000 bucks.
Right.
Right. So that's the key, man. मतलब 20,000 अगर आपका initial investment है, it would go a long way
Okay.
for a GoPro, or even your phone will work.
Right, right.
Right now.
Yeah, of course. I think
And
that's a
putting
good
that-
hack right now.
Exactly. So 1 or 2 trips, like ekdam full on budget mein. If you go with friends, you can share a room
Yeah.
or something, and you can travel comfortably as well. So yeah, that's a good thing. Like you can travel on budget
Right,
and
right.
not spend on gear much and still
Yeah.
create videos.
Yeah, and I think right now it's become even easier considering the tech available at a much lesser price than maybe what it was even 3 years back.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
So true. So
Cool,
true.
cool. So I think you mentioned this interesting point. Another key aspect when it comes to travel logging is monetization. All right. So right now I'm assuming on YouTube, like
Right.
consider the amount of views, consider the amount of subscribers. There's a lot of not a lot of there's revenue generation coming from YouTube. But for any creator who is into vlogging and also into travel, jab cost thoda hota, like of course there are cheaper ways, but still there has to be initial investment.
Right.
What when it comes to financing, how have you gone about it initially, and how whether things have changed right now, and what would you advise to somebody कि यार मेरे को करना है but मैं पैसे कैसे कमाऊंगा, if that question
हाँ जी.
is hunting their head. So what would you suggest to
Right,
them?
right.
Because that's, I think, an
So-
interesting question which a lot of people would want to know the answer for.
Exactly, brother. So true. So what I did was, I'll share you my journey of how I got my first trip to like Spiti Valley. Okay.
Right.
So
Beautiful
how I
place.
cracked that. So it was a partially sponsored trip. That's what I would say. Okay. So all I paid was from my city, that's Nagpur, around center of India, to Delhi. Iska flight ticket was all I paid.
Okay.
Which was used to be around 2,000 bucks. So not on the very high end. So that's all I paid. Baki trip was fully sponsored by a company. That was the first trip, but how it got sponsored is very interesting, because since I had all the camera gear, I had the drone and everything, because I was doing commercial work before
Yeah.
that
Right.
in my city. I was
Right.
filming for restaurants and all that. So I got some money. I invested some money. And yeah, that's because of that, I asked them, ki, yaar, I would film some videos for you. I would film some, shoot some pictures for you. I'll give you those raw footages and raw pictures. And in return, you just take me to your trip. And
Oh,
that's a
wow.
win-win situation. Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, and because of the music videos and some filmmaking videos that you mentioned, you saw on the channel.
Yeah.
Because of that, I had gained a few subscribers as well on
Got
the
it.
channel.
So there was a credibility कि ये बंदा
So
legit है.
because हाँ जी. So I had around 6,000 subscribers. So it wasn't like super high at that point. But yeah, it was enough to convince them to get me a free trip, because I was eventually giving them free content for the YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. So this is, and when it comes to, so you mentioned about this. So when it comes to financing, is this what you also advise a lot of people to do? Like, I think a key aspect to take away from that, कि initially अपने आप को like do these restaurant shoots, do these kind of shoots, because so that you can get at least a source of income thoda, and then eventually you can get into sponsorships, and you'll be able to fund a trip like you did.
True.
Is this what you all advise to others as well?
Very true. Yes, I would advise that to someone who is interested in the operating a good camera. Like I was always into the camera field. Okay.
Yeah,
So
right.
I was always into like mirrorless cameras, DSLRs, all that
Mm-hmm.
professional cinematic look, right?
Mm-hmm.
But some vloggers, if we see some vloggers just want to tell a story, and for them their phone is enough.
Good enough.
If you
All
tell them
right.
to go to like shoot some pictures for some restaurants and all, they would be doing that. क्योंकि उन्हें
Okay.
मजा नहीं आएगा.
Of
But
course, of course.
if someone watching this, if someone listening to this podcast, and you are interested, you have access to a camera or something, I would definitely suggest you go out and you do some commercial shoots, because इससे आपको experience भी मिलेगा. So like if I'm shooting for a restaurant right now, okay, or a hotel or something like that, okay, and I'm going to travel next month. Suppose I'm
Right.
going to Bali.
Right.
So I can contact a few hotels, show them my portfolio that I shot in my city. So these are the places that I've shot. This is my work, and you give me collaboration. I'll give you some shots.
All
That's it.
right. All right.
And once you reach that particular subscriber level, like 50,000, 40,000, 100,000 subscribers, uske baad you'll start getting paid for it as well.
All
And
right.
then
All
your
right.
travel will be travel to sponsor हो ही जाएगा आपका,
Plus आप payment भी
but
कर
you'll
पा रहे हो.
get paid as well.
So
You just go to a property and film.
Munish, tell me, this entire जो gap है, not gap, I'll say, so this 50, like eventually you start getting free collaborations, but that's not direct money coming into your pocket, right? It's a free
Right.
collaboration, so to speak. You're getting good content out of it, you're increasing your portfolio, so it's a currency in एक format.
Right.
But अगर with regards to just financing, then has it ever been an issue for you कि like यार मैं कर तो रहा हूँ free में तो यार but मेरे को पैसे ही नहीं मिल रहे हैं. YouTube AdSense से चल रहा है, ठीक है, I'm getting
हाँ. It had only one solution. It still has that one solution, because even at current, I am not a very macro YouTuber right now.
Right.
So around like 48,000 subscribers as well. I get some amount, but it's not enough to like survive while traveling for long journeys. Right.
Right. Right.
Sometimes the sponsorships gets you money. Okay, at this level, but at this level as well, you need I need a second source of income to run my channel, and that comes from the commercial work. For some people, it's their job. So people, because of like work from home wala jo trend hai, that came after the lockdown thing, many people have realized कि यार हम घर बैठे बैठे भी अपने corporate वगैरह jobs में काम कर सकते हैं. Right. So because of that, many people can now go to places like Goa and all that, and co-working spaces में आधा time काम करके आधा time travel vlog film करके, and they can post it online. So that way they have a job, they have the stable income coming in, and they are making their YouTube videos.
Got it. So I think,
and once you reach that mark of 100 to 100K, then तो आपको sponsorship से ही पैसा आने लग जाएगा.
Right. So I think what you're saying is, उस समय तक you ideally should have another source of income to sustain yourself, because in the long run, if that is your goal, you will keep creating content passionately. तुम set हो जाओगे. True. Right. So I think that's an important feedback. Exactly. That's a pretty important feedback. Okay, tell me one thing. When it comes to landing work, all right, like you did with all these projects and all, as a video editor and also as a cinematographer, photographer, what are some of the steps that you took, like, you know, in order to land business, or like what are like basic things to have, like you approach these pages, you show them your portfolios, but is there anything different that you tried and which actually worked for you, which could possibly help the listeners as well?
See, one thing is for sure that has helped me is posting my content online.
Okay.
So because I post my content on videos on YouTube and Instagram, those short films that you just mentioned in the beginning of the podcast, uske wajah se I got my first commercial work of the restaurants and stuff.
Right.
So they watched that short film. There were some people that I knew. So apne contacts mein aap ghumao, roll karo apne videos. So if someone needs a video, they'll contact you.
Right.
What I would suggest anyone starting out to land business is first have a portfolio. That is super important. So go out. If you are working for free, work for free. Just use your creativity. Go to a restaurant, ask them, I'll make a free video. If you like it, you post. If you don't like it, then आपका क्या जा रहा है, right? आप बनाओ video अपना exactly अपना portfolio बढ़ाओ. आप photographer हो, आप उसमें आप photos खींच के portfolio बढ़ाओ. And once you have that portfolio, you can send it to brands, obviously, as you said. The second thing is marketing your own this thing, like your own brand. Like I market my brand as Cineshades.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So when it comes to Cineshades, I have like a whole website for Cineshades. I'll
Right.
have
Right.
a
Yeah.
whole email ID for Cineshades. I'll have
Hmm.
this whole company. मेरा वो है registered company है.
All
So
right.
just approach any brand as a professional production house or something like that, so that they feel कि यार हम जब पैसा लगाएं, so it's not like we are spending on an individual creator. We are
Right.
spending on a good company to get a good
Right.
product.
Right. Right.
So yeah, a few things I do, like having a business card and contacting PR agencies. मतलब थोड़े रहते हैं, like also these social media जो agencies है अभी, marketing
Hmm.
firms.
Right.
You just keep in contact with these marketing firms because they keep getting these photography and video के क्या बोलते हैं
Requirements.
उनको, requirements and everything. So yeah, they
Right.
need
All
people
right.
like us who film.
All right. I think that's a
So
very
always be
interesting
in touch
insight.
with these
Yeah.
marketing people. Yeah,
For sure.
these
For
are
sure.
the main source of income that can
Can
be
get.
really good for
And I
creators.
think you have to go out there. मतलब for somebody who's like नहीं मेरे पास आ जाएगा, no. You have to go to that cafe.
नहीं
You
नहीं
have
नहीं
to
हाँ,
send them a
सही
message.
बात है.
You have to make that effort because
Exactly.
otherwise you will not be able to just sustain yourself at all and not grow
So
also.
true. So true.
Right. Right. Right.
So true.
Cool, man.
So one of the biggest this thing that I landed was a real estate video shoot
Right.
of or Tata का video shoot था actually वो.
Okay.
So we went with my uncle. He wanted to see a flat in this real estate property
Right.
to purchase. And उधर के जो marketing वाले लोग रहते हैं, they show you the flat and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So we just talked to them. हाँ, बातचीत में हमने बताया कि like we film videos and all, if you want a video. तो उन्होंने next time हमें call किया एक दो दिन
Okay.
बाद,
All right.
just for the video thing. हाँ,
All
and that
right.
was like
सही
पर्सनल
है.
इंटरैक्शन हो गया. दे थॉट कि यार
हाँ.
वीडियो बनाते हैं, बात हुई.
हाँ.
उसके एक महीने बाद वीडियो भले बनाना चालू हुआ, बट
Okay.
स्टिल दैट इनिशियल स्पार्क, दैट
Right.
इनिशियल वो जो रहता है,
एक
उसकी वजह
impression
से
रह गया था.
we
हाँ जी.
got a good client. Yeah,
Right. Right. It's a strong
get a
client
good
to
client.
have. It's a pretty
So
strong
yeah,
client to have for sure.
right. Hmm.
Great. Great.
So
I
it's
think that's
always
really
like as
insightful.
you said,
Be
बाहर
opportunistic.
जाके करना.
हाँ जी.
Yeah,
Yeah, Prabhu.
exactly.
Cool, cool.
So true.
So yeah, so Manish, a lot of your videos are to do with trends. Like you always put out this camera to use. You're very I think involved when it comes to
Hmm.
equipment and gear, right? So
Right, right.
how do you advise and how do you keep up with the current trends when it comes to the tech or whatever's happening in
Hmm.
your ecosystem? Because I'm sure it's very important
Right.
to know kya ho raha hai, and then when you talk about it, be like, yeah, this guy means business, right? So how do you keep up with all
Exactly.
these things?
Exactly. So what it is very easy to keep up if you are interested in that kind of stuff, you know. So I am a tech geek, you can say.
Right,
I am a
right,
camera geek, I am a phone geek, I am a laptop geek. Like yeah, if you tell me like कि भाई इस बजट में इस ऐसा पीसी कैसे बनाए, हाँ, to just edit your videos, I can tell you each and every spec parts of your
Oh
PC.
wow. All right.
Because I am interested in that stuff.
And you
That's what I
enjoy.
do. मैं खाली बैठा रहता हूँ तो I'll just watch some YouTube videos
All
about the
right.
newest cameras out there,
All
about the
right.
newest mobile phones and everything. So yeah, that's just a tech enthusiast in me that you see on the screen.
Right,
But
right,
when
right.
it comes to this field, like in filmmaking, you have to push yourself. Even if you're not a tech enthusiast, you have to be updated with the current gear that is happening.
Right.
एक recent example दूंगा. We were shooting with FPV drones. So have you heard about FPV drones?
No, I'm not the tech geek.
Yeah. So normal drones कैसा होता है? They fly very stable, right? They're almost automatic. You just control थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे left right ये सब,
Okay.
मतलब the normal drones. Okay.
Right.
FPV drones are fully manual.
All
So
right.
they are like you are flying a fighter jet. It's as complicated as
Wow.
flying a fighter jet. Okay. So you wear all the goggles of the FPV, मतलब VR goggles होते हैं, and you have the remote. And if you just remote से हल्का सा भी हाथ गिरा तो drone नीचे. It's fully manual.
Wow.
And it
Intense.
flies so fast. बीच बीच से
Right.
मेरा एक friend है, he is like 2 years experience in that. So we are flying this drone. Okay. Now, in the filmmaking community, FPV drones is pretty like famous right now.
Okay. Okay.
So almost all filmmakers know it. But we met
Right.
a production company on a shoot location, and these guys had no idea what FPV is.
Oh.
They were having all the expensive camera gears that you
Uh,
can name, and they had never seen an FPV drone, and they were shocked after seeing
yeah.
the footage.
Right. Right.
And we were shocked that how do they not know? We know
Not know
this
about it.
technology since the last 2 years. It's been here since the last 2 years. So that is the thing. Like you have to be updated to um, expand your creativity,
Right.
because
Right.
sometimes gear does help you
Well, I'm
expand
sure
your
it helps in a
creativity.
lot of times. Yeah, quality is
Right.
quality. Like when I even see a thumbnail of a video,
Exactly.
क्या बना है यार?
Acha,
Thumbnail देख
acha.
के मन करता देखने का. And I think those little things
Thank you
go
so
a
much.
long way in getting that one click, making that person stop
Exactly.
clicking कि बंदा है कौन? इतना aesthetic कहाँ से पहाड़ के ऊपर खड़ा
So
के
true.
क्या देख रहे हैं? I think it's very crucial for
Very
sure.
true.
Right. Right. All right,
Very.
Manish, we'll come towards the
Huh?
latter end of the podcast. So I want to ask you this one
Perfect.
question. So I think in one of your videos, you mentioned about certain ideas that you got that have changed your life. All right. I'm not sure when I saw that.
Mhm.
So I want to ask you, what is something which somebody has told you, as such, given you a couple of advices which you thought, "Ki, chalo, this makes sense," but it actually did not work out. And I'm talking it when it comes to your content creation. So say they told you to use this, I
Right.
think this will be very helpful, but it bombed. And you're like, यार क्या हो गया मैंने क्या कर दिया? Has this kind of situation ever taken place?
Acha. Let me think about it. Yeah, there was this situation. Like it's not a situation. It was just a thing. Like I was researching a lot on the productivity side of things. So not I read this book, The 5 a.m. Club by
I
Robin
have it
Sharma.
right here. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So it's a great book, huh? I
Mm.
really respect that book. I really love that book. Okay.
Mm.
Like the 5 a.m. club thing. I stretched it to a long, मतलब बहुत time तक I did it. It was superb. Okay. The
Mm.
morning routine, everything was superb. But when it comes to filmmakers and travel people, it
Right.
is not the right way to
All
go
right.
about the thing.
All right.
Because
All right.
sometimes you have to shoot like at night.
Yeah, of
Sometimes you
course.
have to get up at 3 a.m. to reach the place at 5 a.m.
All right.
So
All right. Yeah.
it's okay. It is good for
Mm.
people who are like in a stable job or a stable company in nine to
Right.
five, like some business. It's good for that.
But
But
not in
for
a proper
like
creative passion field, so to speak.
right, right,
Right.
right. So
Robin Sharma is listening
yeah,
to this.
but
Should be funny.
yeah, that 5 a.m. thing just me up.
Right. Right.
I
Right.
tried it. It
Yeah.
so
I can
that's
understand.
the
I can
one thing.
understand.
Yeah, but I still give that book a few reads. Like मैं revisit करते रहता हूँ book को,
Right. Right.
because I 90% of the things that the book has, I would say, just
Hmm.
that you don't have to stick
That.
to that 5 a.m. timing.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Right. It's okay. It's okay. Cover
Routines.
group का book का नाम छोड़ो बाकी सब follow कर
हाँ,
लेते हैं.
exactly.
सही
So
है.
true.
सही है. Cool. Cool. Munish, we will like I told you initially also, we'll have a small rapid fire. 5 or 7 questions where I just want
Amazing.
where even your audiences get to know
Awesome.
कि
Awesome.
alright. So guys, just give you perspective. It's
हाँ जी, हाँ
11
जी.
p.m. right now, and अभी भी Monish with the energy है. It's very, and plus he's traveling and all. I'm sure he's dead tired, but पता नहीं चल रहा है.
अरे भाई.
Right? I look too tired for sure, and I anyway. So I'll
Oh
ask you the
God.
first question here. I hope you're ready. All right.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. एकदम
Perfect.
perfect.
Perfect. All right. If you could describe yourself through a hashtag, Instagram hashtag, what would it be?
Hashtag.
Rapid fire.
यार 3-4 हैशटैग है दिमाग में.
बताओ
I'm
3-4
selecting
hashtag
like
बता दो.
hashtag chill. Hashtag chill
Chill.
religion.
Chill.
That's the hashtag I use. Chill religion. Yes.
All right. Perfect. Cool. All right.
Yes.
One fictional character you wish was your best friend.
Fictional character. I would go with fictional. मतलब should be an animated or can be a
Anybody.
movie.
Yeah, it could be an animated, could be a person out of a movie or a storybook also.
Okay. It would be Farhan Akhtar from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Correct. Damn.
Because
Nice.
I loved that character. I absolutely loved that character.
Right.
The depth in the character.
What a
They are-
and what a person to vibe with
Yes.
that would be.
Exactly. So
All
true.
right. Right. If you could, so this could be a little difficult for you, I think. If you could choose one thing, only traveling or only vlogging about daily life, what would you choose?
I would choose only vlogging.
Oh,
That's what I
that's it.
would choose.
That's pretty
Hanji,
interesting.
hanji,
All right.
hanji.
Okay. If you
Yeah,
could,
because I love videos, yaar. I love to create
of course,
videos.
what to say, yeah, I think we got in an idea. Like, if
Hanji,
you had a
hanji.
superpower, Monish, what would it be?
If I had a superpower, it would be not needing sleep,
Damn,
because
nice.
then I could use that time and
Right.
do stuff that you know
Yeah, you want to, for sure, man. That's a great one.
do a
That's a
lot
great.
of stuff. You
Right,
know.
right, right. All right. The last question. One
Hmm.
thing which most of the people don't know about you, and I think here, you can't use that music answer which you told me कि आपने music videos भी डाले थे. Something
अच्छा अच्छा
else.
अच्छा.
One thing which
Okay.
people don't know about.
So
Could be a trait as well for sure.
um, I would love to I love to be on the screens. I have like plans on becoming a actor in future.
Wow.
So people don't know this about me, but I would love to someday. Yeah,
All right, crazy man. All the best. I
that's one
think
dream.
everybody would love to see a actor who can also direct in all probability so well. I
Arey
think
bhai,
we wish you
thank
kudos
you
to
so
that.
much,
If
yaar.
this was amazing, Monish, I think a lot of insights, and we don't. A lot of people don't really know about these technical aspects of things when it comes to blogging, monetization,
Right, right, right.
financing, and I hope the people who are listening to this do pick
True.
out a lot of things. What do you have to say to the
Right.
audience? Anything you'd like to say towards the end?
Yeah, I would like to say to the audience, like if you're starting out on YouTube in any particular genre,
Hmm.
I would say कि यार go out, create
Hmm.
video and try that. हाँ. देखो
Hmm.
कैसा लगता है आपको, देखो कैसा feeling आता है. Because
Hmm.
if it's meant for you, you'll just know it. हाँ.
We'll click.
After the first video gets uploaded, you'll just know it. वो click हो जाएगा, ठीक है.
All right.
और click नहीं होता है ना, तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. दुनिया में बहुत चीजें ट्राई करने के लिए. कीप ट्राइंग, कीप एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, कीप लर्निंग. That's what
Beautiful.
I would
What
like
a
to
way
say.
to end it. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, Legend Monish. Thank you so much. All right, this was pretty good. Thank you so much, Monish. This was awesome, very insightful, and I hope to see you soon in Bombay. All the best, man.
Sure,
Happy
man.
vlogging. Safe journeys for sure. And yeah, thank you so much, listeners. Do let us know what you found valuable about this podcast. If you have any suggestions, anything you'd like us to ask Monish as well, or just ask him directly, feel free to do it. We'll make sure all his channels are put in the descriptions and the links down below. Once again, amazing. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on this episode of Mango Talk. Thank you so much, Monish. Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for having me. Had a great time, man. Had a
My
great
pleasure.
time.
My pleasure. Thank you so much, buddy. Take care. Good night. Bye bye.
Take care. Good night.